The BK882 2-in-1 soldering station combines both a soldering and hot air rework station, offering dual displays and power switches for enhanced functionality. This soldering station heats up rapidly and maintains stable temperatures, ensuring precision and consistency during use. With a temperature range from 356 to 896 degrees Fahrenheit for the soldering iron, and 212 to 932 degrees Fahrenheit for the hot air rework, it accommodates a variety of applications. The hibernation function prolongs the lifespan of the soldering iron tip and heating element by preventing oxidation during inactivity. A comprehensive accessory kit, including a soldering sucker, wires, tips, nozzles, and more, ensures that all your soldering needs are met conveniently. The manufacturer, BK882, provides excellent after-sales support, promising prompt customer service and a 1-year warranty.